Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste style in Elementor. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to maintain design consistency across different pages without having to manually recreate formatting each time. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and then click on All Pages. Here, you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Look for the page that contains the style you want to copy and click Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor where you can work with all your page elements. Now that you're in the editor, locate the specific element whose style you want to copy. This could be an image, a text block, or a heading, basically any element that has formatting you'd like to reuse elsewhere. Right-click on that element and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Copy. It's important to note that this copies the styling properties of the element, not necessarily the content itself. After copying the style, go back to your WordPress dashboard. This is where we'll create the new page where you want to apply the copied style. Navigate to Pages and then click on Add New. Once the new page opens, click the Edit with Elementor button to launch the Elementor editor for this fresh page. In the Elementor editor, you'll need to create a structure to hold your content. Click the plus button to add a new section. For example, you can choose between Flexbox or Grid depending on your layout needs. Select your preferred structure that will accommodate the element you're about to style. Now comes the crucial part. Right-click on the target element where you want to apply the style you copied earlier. This should be the same type of element as the one you copied from, whether it's a heading, text block, or image. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Paste Style. You'll immediately see the formatting applied to this element, matching exactly what you had on the original page. If you have multiple elements that need the same styling, you can repeat this process for each one. Simply right-click on each target element and select Paste Style from the drop-down menu. This saves you tremendous time compared to adjusting each property manually through the Settings panel. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Click the Publish button if you're ready to make the page live, or click Save Draft beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page if you want to continue working on it later. And there you have it. You've successfully copied and pasted styles in Elementor, making your design workflow much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.